Media Center of Indian Hajj Mission, Makkah. The news read by Abdul Aziz. Today's headlines. In last 24 hours, 2,548 Hajjaj-e-Kiram have returned to India safely after performing Hajj. In last 24 hours, 252 Hajjaj-e-Kiram moved to Medina Munawwara from Makkatul Mukarramah. And in last 24 hours, 7 Hajjaj-e-Kiram have expired. Now the news in details. Yesterday on 4th November 2012, 8 flights have departed from Sidda International Airport to India carrying 2,548 Hajjaj-e-Kiram who have reached India safely after performing Hajj. Till now, 33 flights have departed from Jeddah International Airport to India carrying 10,112 Hajjaj-e-Kiram. They reached safely at India. In last 24 hours, 252 Hajjaj-e-Kiram moved to Medina Munawwara from Makkatul Mukarramah. As of now, 113,745 Hajjaj-e-Kiram are in Makkatul Mukarramah and 1,050 Hajjaj-e-Kiram are in Medina Munawwara. In last 24 hours, 78 Hajjaj-e-Kiram have reported for cash loss. Till now, 721 Hajjaj-e-Kiram have reported for cash loss at Makkatul Mukarramah and 205 Hajjaj-e-Kiram at Medina Munawwara, and they have been provided relief. In the last 24 hours, 13,738 Hajjaj-e-Kiram have availed medical facilities. The details are as follows. 13,375 Hajjaj-e-Kiram at Makkatul Mukarramah, 308 Hajjaj-e-Kiram at Medina Munawwara and 55 Hajjaj-e-Kiram at Jeddah. Till now, 3,73,643 Hajjaj-e-Kiram have availed medical facilities of Indian Hajj Medical Mission. In last 24 hours, 7 Hajjaj-e-Kiram have expired at Makkatul Mukarramah. May Allah rest their souls in peace and grant them Jannah. Till date, 135 Hajjaj-e-Kiram have expired, out of which 93 Hajjaj-e-Kiram at Makkatul Mukarramah, 19 Hajjaj-e-Kiram at Medina Munawwara, 22 Hajjaj-e-Kiram at Mashayar and 1 Haji at Jeddah. All the Hajjaj-e-Kiram had natural death. That's the end of this news bulletin. Allah Hafiz.